Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be some ways that you can style your box braids. Now before I got into the actual styling of the box braids, mine are just maybe about a week and a half, since I got them done, and mine were very tight. So before we got into the styling part, I wanted to let y'all know that when you get your box braids done, there's like braid spray. So I originally got this for my daughter when I braid her hair because she scratches a lot. So I got this and we tried it and I absolutely love it. So I tried it on my hair for the tightness to kind of get everything a little loose. So I tried this on my hair just to see how it worked with as far as, loosening up the tightness and easing up the itch in my hair, and it actually works. So this is actually the Olive Miracle Dream Kid Spray, and you can find this at any hair store or any braid spray, honestly, you can use. So now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and see these styles that y'all can do with y'all box braids. Now I have box braids, so they're not knotless. So we're gonna show you how you can get 5 styles with box braids. Stay tuned. And if you like my makeup, hit the like button so I can show y'all how I created this flawless spring cut crease look. Peace. All right, here the first look is going to be my box braids put to the side. Okay, and over here I just have the box braids put to the opposite side, just showing you how versatile it is depending on which side you like your side part on. Here we got this braid going to the side as well. I like my braid pretty big. If you don't like your braid big, you can always make it smaller than what I have. Here I got the top knot bun, my half up half down. Typically with my half up half down, I put the part up on my head up into a bun. Here we got the whole head of box braids into a bun. This is probably my favorite hairstyle when wearing box braids. Okay, over here we got our ninja top bun going on. We got the sides of the hair box braids down, and we got the top portion of it up into a up into a bun. Okay, and we have our side twist going to the side of our head. And if you guys stayed this far, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also do the same thing if you like the makeup that I'm wearing. If you would like to see how I created this, I can definitely show you guys in another video. Just please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And here are your 7 styles that you can wear for box braids.